Now, treatment modalities, as most of you are aware, is mostly nowadays cancer. All solid tumors, like in any other case, breast cancer also needs surgery. Surgery is the mainstay of treatment in breast cancer, and the surgery can be of various types, like breast conservation surgery or breast sacrificing surgery called mastectomy. BCS is the breast conservation surgery, and mastectomy means total removal of the breast. Also, we had to operate to a small extent on the armpit on the same side, the axilla, because some of these cancers spread to lymph nodes in the axilla. So mostly depending on the stage, whether it is only confined to the breast, or it has spread to the axilla, or it has spread to the chest wall and also distant organs, the treatment modalities are adopted. So treatment can be by means of chemotherapy first, followed by surgery and then radiotherapy if necessary, or it can be simple removal of the lump along with, say, a node in the axilla, and then radiotherapy with or without chemotherapy. So not only the conventional chemotherapy, but also there is what is called target therapy, hormonal therapy, and in some instances even immune therapy is being tried as part of chemo treatment of breast cancer. So the surgery and chemotherapy are two different things. So also radiation and surgery generally control the disease in the chest wall and also in the axilla, whereas chemotherapy helps to nullify the cancer cells that are in circulation and have gone to various organs like brain, liver, bone and lungs. So these visceral and skeletal metastases, what we call, can be controlled to a great extent by appropriate chemotherapy, which includes conventional chemo plus target therapy and all that, depending on the biological nature of the tumor. So understanding the tumor of the breast is one which gives the clue what kind of treatment modalities have to be adopted. And post treatment also, every case has to be under follow up, like once in every 3 months for the first year, and also once in 4 months for second year, for evaluation for any kind of local, that is the recurrence in the breast and the axilla or in the distant sites. And third year onwards, once in 6 months is necessary. After 5 years, probably yearly annual checkup, what's called, is necessary to evaluate any recurrence or relapse of the disease. This is it short about the breast cancer, its importance, the magnitude of the problem, the age groups which are afflicted, the death rates and the incidence what we have seen in these cases, and how to diagnose this cancer early, who are the individuals who are at risk for breast cancer, and the various types of treatment available as of now in India to treat the breast cancer completely. What I mean is in the breast, in the axilla, and if noticed elsewhere in the body. So we have discussed briefly all these issues. Hope this information would help most of you, especially women, to understand more and better the breast cancer and follow these precautionary measures, keeping in view whether the woman is high risk for breast cancer or like any other. So about say 4,000 and odd cases of breast cancer can occur in 1 crore of female population, roughly speaking. So now you can imagine in 1 crore female population, different age groups put together, about 4,300 like that are the new cases found. Depending on this, the whole statistics revolve around. And of these, most of the cases do come in the second or third stage. That's why it is very important that we diagnose or try our best to diagnose in the first stage itself by educating the individuals who are at risk and otherwise, and also doing the screening procedures whenever in doubt to catch the disease early and give better cure rates for the individuals.